Now let's look at managing your user profile. The key points we will cover include editing your user profile, adding a new company account, seat management, which is adding new users, team management and category sharing, managing your subscription, managing your password, and logging out. Let's take a look. Here we are on the home page. Up at the top right next to the welcome is your user profile. You click on your name and it opens a series of options. First, we'll add a new company account by clicking here, and it asks for you to add details on the company profile. Let's call it Nuco. We'll choose an image and we'll say next. Now we need to add Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and WordPress. We'll just go ahead and connect a Twitter account right here. We'll authorize it. Now it asks us to set up topics of interest. So we'll enter some of those. And what we enter here are different topics of interest that we'd like to collect information on and post stories about. For Nuco, which is a manufacturing company in metal fabrication, we added the company name, the manufacturing industry, Nuco products, metal fabrication, and eco-friendly manufacturing. Here we have the option for Snapshot to automatically find and save content into each of these categories or not. If we want to fill our own categories, we can uncheck the box. If we want Snapshot to use these as search terms to find content, we leave the box checked and we hit continue. Snapshot goes out and finds content, and when we're done, it asks if we would like to view a video showing how to create the first post. We'll skip this for now. Snapshot automatically created each of these different categories here and found 10 snapshots in each of these categories. For any new company that we create, we still have the shared categories over here on the right. Now let's go in and do seat management. We open up the user profile, click on seat management. Here we can see that we have 10 companies available and 7 are allocated. So we have 3 left that are available to allocate to someone else. If we don't have any available, we would need to go in and click on Manage Subscriptions and add extra company accounts. We can invite someone as a user by entering their email and clicking Invite. So Kathy has now been invited. She can open up her email and sign up for her new account. Now we can close out of seat management. The next thing we want to do is look at team management. Team management is where we can create work teams and invite people to join a team and then share content from categories with those team members. Here is a list of the teams that we have, 1, 2, and 3 different teams. To add a new team, we can click here and say Nuco. We hit OK. To invite someone to join this particular team, we enter their email here. Let's add Kathy. Now they have to be a Snapshot user, of course, in order to be invited. So we'll click OK. Kathy has now been invited. She'll get an email. She clicks on the link in the email and she can accept being a team member. Then any of the category content that we share with this team would be available for her to view. Let's close out of here. Now we're in the Nuco company and we'd like to share a couple categories with this new team that we created. We can do that by clicking on the edit pencil of the category we wish to share. And now we can share this by clicking here, Sharing with Nuco. The sharing icon shows up here, and if we'd like to share one more, we can click here and share this category with the Nuco company. Those 2 categories will now be shared with Kathy when she accepts the invitation. Now we'll take a look at the email that Kathy receives to join the team. We click on it here. It opens up the email and it says, "Hi Kathy, you've been invited to join the Nuco team. Click this link to join." It says here that you've been added to the team. Now that Kathy has accepted the invitation to the team, let's go back and check the status of the team. We'll go back and look at team management, and we see here that Kathy's name is now underneath of that team. We'll close out of the team management. We'll go up here to buy or change your subscription. You click here. To cancel your subscription, click here. To change your password, go here. And to log out, go here. This is an information button so you can learn more about managing your user profile. And here's a link to the video. That wraps up managing your user profile.